Most artists fail because they were never taught the medical side of tattooing. If you're still using cosmetic techniques for paramedical tattooing, you're doing your clients a disservice. Hey, I'm Mandy Sauler, and I've been tattooing for 28 years. Over the last decade, I've trained people in medical tattooing and been recognized from hospitals and doctors all over the world. Doctors and patients need skilled artists, but trainers are leaving you in the dark. They're not giving you the qualification and teaching you the skills like you need to work in scar tissue, to see healed results, connect with doctors. These things that you can feel comfortable talking with them so you can get clients and connect with them. These are all important things for a trainer. In this training, yes, you'll learn the 3D aspect of it and the artistic part of it and working with our tools in the industry to provide a great service. But we really need to dive deep into the different types of scar tissue, where you're working at on the body, how the skin has been compromised. Not only that, but you'll get live models. All of our trainings come with live models. It's so important to work on live models. And the reason is, it's a whole emotional aspect of it too. Understanding how to communicate. These are factors that need to be taught in class. And it's so important. We also offer certificates and a wide range of support for our trainings. You will never feel left out. Some of our students currently are being published in news journals and newspapers and magazines. And some of my students are actually now speaking alongside of me. That's a testament of how we train and how our artists work and what we give them the confidence to really succeed in their city. Our classes are small and intimate, so the spots are filling up fast. Don't wait to register for our next class.